We have another Mazda for you today. Really bad lights. As you can see, here's the before. Pretty bad. Both sides, pretty bad. But don't worry, when we get done with them, they're gonna look like they're brand new again. We are mobile. We do South Florida, Broward County, Palm Beach County, Miami-Dade. We come to you, look at this, it's like new. Call us, text us your pictures, and we'll come out to you and perform a headlight restoration the right way. Give us a call, 754-302-0769. We come to you. Thank you for watching this video. 754-302-0769.